Welcome back to Kim's Art Alchemy, and today is Talent Tuesday. I am going to try Petra Jongbloed's Supernova effect. Yikes! I'm not using her resin, I'm not using her stuff at all. I am trying to match it up as best I can with what I have. So the resin I am using is the Art Pro by Resin Pro, and this is a 3:2 resin. I also scaled down her recipe because she was using a total of 495 grams of resin. I don't have a mold that big or a whole bunch of molds to hold all that. So I've got one mold here. This is Julie Cuts Pouring Your Heart Out eBay store Mystique mold, I believe. And I had another piece that I did in here and I weighed it out. So this thing here holds about 240 grams. So I scaled the recipe down using my BFF ChatGPT. And so with this, you need 6 cups of resin that all have the same quantity. So each one of these has 24 grams of resin. This one here is going to be for my white. This one's holding, it calls for 29. I rounded it up to 30. And then off to the side, I have whatever's left. It's going to be the push, so that'll be about 64 grams of resin. So let's get started mixing all these up. So about 5 drops of each of these. All right, so I'm using resin dye by Let's Resin. This one's sky blue. I'm gonna put 5 drops in. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'll be back once I've got these all dropped in and stirred, but basically I'm using, what did I say that was? Sky blue, violet. I'm gonna do a combination of orange and yellow. And over here I've got peach red. And these two are separate because they're gonna hold the Red Robin Luster, and this one's my Interference Gold by well, it's Bling It by Colorart is the Interference Gold. So I'll be back when I've got this all mixed up. As I stated at the beginning, this is part of Talent Tuesday with my awesome friend Marie-Louise of Marie-Louise Art. So make sure you go back and see her video if you missed this week's episode. It will, of course, be linked in the description below. All right, I'm back. I hauled out my acrylic inks because this just does not look right to me. So I'm gonna add just 1 drop in of a similar color and see what happens. So that was 1, 3. So that, all my acrylic inks are by Holbein, at least that I'm gonna be using here today. And that one was the Hansa. Nope, oh, why did I choose this one? Isoindolinol. Isoindolinone. Yellow. Wow. Wow. Okay. Dioxazine violet. That one's an easy one. Seeing as how I put 3 of the ISO one in, I'm gonna put 3. Yeah, look at that. That's nice and dark. Isoindolinone. Yikes. Okay, let's do this one. This one is Primary Cyan and Quinacridone Magenta. So while I was mixing things up, I actually added 10 drops of Julie's bloom paste to this. And it's again, what was it? Did I mix up? 30 grams, yes. All right, let's do this. So now I need a big cup. Big cup. Oh, let me mix my gold up. All right, so in order, we're going yellow, purple, cyan, deep magenta. Let me get the white out of here so I don't confuse myself. And these two. In that order, twice. All right, and we're just gonna do a dirty pour, so. Half yellow. And now we pour this out. These are gonna be in the way. In a ring. All right. Around the edge of the mold. Shoot. Kind of hard with these spiky things in the way. Okay. Around the edge as well. Look how much that interference gold stands out. Very cool. Now what's next? Now we've got the white. And the white goes at the inner edge of the gold. That's it. Oh, no, that's not it. It's almost it. Almost forgot the push. And then we do the push. It looks like this mold could have taken maybe 250 grams. Only did 240. Wow, cool colors. And now we wait and see. This is cured. I did have to suck the center out because it only closed to about here. And I didn't like that. So let's see. It's still a little bit soft. Oh, well, that is cool. I'm not sure what I expected. Still just a little tiny hole there, but oh, wow. Wow, look at the colors. I love it. So I'm definitely gonna go again. Wow, I like, it's almost like the fireworks effect. This is so cool. I'm definitely gonna go again. Where was I? I think I'm gonna leave out the resin dye and just use the acrylic inks next time. Let's see if any of that gold showed. Don't really see it. Can you guys see it? I don't see it. Oh, I do. I see it right in here. A little bit here. Wow. Well, okay then. Yep, definitely going again. Definitely gonna go again. Look in the pink. All right, let's get you down. Let's have a closer look. See that inside area? It's so cool. So again, this technique was from Petra Jongbloed. Look at the colors. So I can get that to focus in a little more. In that center area. And the colors on the outside, I love it. Definitely going again. Definitely. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you all, as always, for being here. And I will catch you on another video where at some point you will see me doing this again. Bye for now.